Hey, how you all doing? Well, there is a bunch going on. I'm making some exit button covers. They're laser etching now. Check out the new banners. Been a while since I've designed these and I had them printed the other day. I guess if you're watching this, you probably knew I had a YouTube channel, but people who come in here don't, so that's cool. I made the other one of these. Ground that all down real nice. Well, it's not quite finished yet. When I was letting in the other one, because I decided to switch sides because I got these 3 holes in the wrong place. I thought I'll just redraw 1, 2, 3 like that. So I switched them around. So I'd had ground this out a bit to match the other one. So I'm working on that. I will go ahead and weld that in whilst the other one's being etched. I've got one more to do. It's like a 35-minute etch. It takes a minute. 35 minutes. But yeah. Anyway, just a quick update, I guess. I will let you know how I get on with the rest of this tonight. Well, it's been a few minutes. Probably 15 minutes. And I've got both of these sides tacked in. I'm pretty happy with how they're looking. Yeah, I feel like it's going alright. I put a square on this a minute ago. And I guess the laser cutters didn't quite get the square on that. So I'm going to have to offer that all up. I feel like I want to get these pieces welded, tacked in or whatever, once it's on the truck. Because then I can put some straight edges down. What I'll probably do is put a fat section of steel across there, clamp it all on like that, and then progress through. I think that's going to be the way to go. Look at that. They are going to look so cool when they're done. That's what I've got in mind. That's how they're going to look. Really, really pleased with that. So, got them tacked in. I wasn't expecting to do any work on this because I came in to do that other stuff, but given that the etching takes so long, I thought I'd give it a go. And anyway, as always, I don't know when I'm next going to have a chance to work on this stuff. How cool do those posters look, huh? Well, banners, actually. So, who thinks that I should make a sticker out of that one, huh? I've got a sticker on that one. Who would put one of those up? Got my fin. Put in the comments if you can guess what that fin is of. Look, it's definitely a fin because it says do not lift by fin. Got an illumination mortar around as well. Thanks, Josh. Appreciate that. I don't think it's live. I hope it's not live anyway. So that one there, that was when we sponsored the Fun Cup at Donington Park last year. And I put that composite together just because. Boy, that is a very big file, that one. Somehow managed to lose the editable version of it, so that's all I've got in a TIFF format. But yeah, I'm happy with that. There's the non-flashy bit. It's kind of got me in the mood for some other stuff to put up. Any ideas of what else I could put up on the walls? Maybe I need more vehicles. Yeah, maybe not. But anyway, I'm rambling on like I always do at the end of these videos. I don't think I'm going to get any extra work done on this rear end. Ooh, that sounds dodgy. I don't think I'm going to get any work done on this for a little while, so I'm going to just show you this and I'm going to press on. How long have we got left? Laser etching machine. Look, we did one. Oh, it's nearly there. Goes left and right and then up and down. Makes it super cool. Got another 2 to do. So they'll have to be tomorrow. Is this where you point out I've spelled something wrong? Anyway, thanks for the support, guys. Oh, flickering. Where is it not going to flicker? Anyway, thanks for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. See you next time.